How to buy kicks in Score Hero. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to buy or purchase kicks using the in-game currency in Score Hero, then the process is quite easy. Launch open Score Hero game on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the shop icon at the bottom left corner. Under the shop icon, scroll down and look for the kicks option. You can go ahead and buy unlimited kicks by tapping on this green button over here. It'll cost you $3.95 if you want unlimited 24-hour kicks. But if you want to purchase kicks spending the in-game currency, then you can go ahead and look for these options over here. Choose the one that you want to use. I'm just going to choose this best value thing over here. Tap on it. And after spending your in-game currency, you will be able to purchase kicks on Score Hero. Now you can go ahead and join into a game and you can see for yourself. So there you have it. That is how you can easily buy kicks in Score Hero. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.